Hi everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today our topic is about how to write a narrative essay. This is actually a special request, and this time we are going to give you, aside from explanation, I'm going to give also an example of narrative essay. But before that, of course, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to like and also click the notification bell in order to be updated with my next video. And of course, please share also. Alright, let us start. Here are the steps in writing a narrative story. First, choose a topic that will grab the reader's attention. Topic usually should be something that will attract the attention of the readers. You should be able to weave your truth or tell the truth into a story that matters. And you should try also to include yourself as part of the characters in your narrative. And then you should, here's an example of a topic: how COVID-19 changed my life as a student. By the way, in the last part of this video, I am going to show you an example of a narrative essay, and you can use this as a pattern in writing a narrative video. You should start with a draft or an outline, like this example. First, the topic. After the topic is the first paragraph or introduction. In your introduction, this paragraph should tell the setting, the place, the characters, including yourself, of course, and the time or circumstances. And then after the first paragraph, it should be the second paragraph or the body. Now, the body of your essay should tell details of the important points given in the first paragraph. And then it should also explain elaborately every details of the important points given in the first paragraph. And then for a third paragraph, it should be the conclusion or closing. This is the part where you sum up and prove what you claimed in the introduction. Now, don't give details or avoid details that don't mean anything to your story. They make your essay too wordy and can confuse readers. Now, to determine whether specific details are needed, find out if they have significant roles in the plot. Now, this is an example of narrative essay. I hope you'd be able to copy this down. If you want to copy this down, just pause the video and write it down. Okay, example. How COVID-19 changed my life. COVID-19 changed my life as a student. Before COVID-19, I was happy living my life as a grade, this could be 7, 8, 9, 10, or even in senior high school. Never had ever occurred to me, or never had ever occurred in my imagination, that a dreaded virus would change my life. It started on the month of February when the mainstream media announced the occurrence of a dreaded virus in the Philippines, which was corrected later on as a form of pandemic. My mother is the MDRRM chief in our municipality. She told me not to go outside to play or to go anywhere without wearing protective face mask or face shield. According to my mother, Her office will facilitate an emergency meeting regarding this problem and will issue emergency health protocols. A few days later on, I heard from my mother that classes were suspended and that since March is supposed to be the graduation ceremonies in schools, all gatherings, including graduation rites and other public gatherings, were prohibited because of the coronavirus. I was shocked because I was excited to join my classmates in the moving up ceremony. The school year ended without graduation rites or moving up ceremonies. I was disgusted. My mother strictly told me not to go out anymore. My mother bought everything needed for our family and told us not to go out except for emergency or very important reason. I was prohibited to play outside or see friends. It looks like I was imprisoned in my own home. It was only through social media that I was able to contact and see my friends. I was even prohibited to go to the mall. This was because, according to my mother, only defense against coronavirus is self-isolation or staying isolated at home. These events changed my life. Gone are the days that I could go anywhere, anytime. Gone are the happy days of my life. This is how coronavirus or COVID-19 changed my life. Alright, this is now the example of a narrative essay. I hope you were able to copy this down. And if you have learned something from this video, again, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell in order to be updated, and of course, please share also. Thank you very much for watching. See you again.